Right, people, you know how this works. Today, I'm popping over because I see that nice little multi-tool that John Fick's done, and really, I want it. So, it's a long way to go, isn't it, just for a multi-tool? Let's have a look what else he's got. Nice, but no. Oh, nicer, but not today. Oh, no, too many screwdrivers. I've got too many screwdrivers. What's in here? What's in this one? Oh, this is going to be my... Oh, I'm going to have to take this whole drawer. There he is. Put it up on the wall. Hang on. Right. Pop back. Right, a few brush strokes with my patented super blue removing fluid, and no one will know this was John Fick's because it'll be back to shiny. So, that's about it for today. I'd like to say thank you, Mr. Fix, for the generous tool donations you made there. They will go straight into my collection. I'll just strip this all off. I'm going to say bye for now. Might pop over and visit Ben later on. Alright, bye.